Students, welcome to the class of the previous year questions of Binomial Theorem. Myself, Alaka, and your mathematics educator in Unacademy. I've completed my master's from Manipal Institute of Technology. I have more than 5 years of teaching experience, and if you want to reach out to me, you can either use my Instagram handle or my Telegram handle. You can also use the code Alaka Live for your subscription purpose as well, so that you can avail a 10% discount. So, I believe we shall move on to our session of today, starting with the previous year questions of binomial theorem. So the first question for today is on your screen. The remainder left out when a to the power 2n minus 62 to the power 2n plus 1 is divided by 9. So you have 4 options given. Try to solve the question. You have 2 minutes. After that, I will start solving the question. So this is a previous year question which was asked in AIEEE 2009. Try the question, everyone. The remainder left out when a to the power 2n minus 62 to the power 2n plus 1 is divided by 9. If you have any doubt, ask. Okay, the correct option is option 2. Let us check out for the solution. So, the first question states that uh, a to the power 2n minus 62 to the power 2n plus 1, okay, is to be divided by 9. What will be the remainder is the question. Okay, so 8 can be made as, say, 8 square. Okay, 8 to the power 2n it is written. We can write it as 8 square to the power of n. What is 8 square? 64. Okay, 64 to the power n minus 62 to the power 2n plus 1. Okay, and the 62 can be converted as 1 plus 63 and 64 can be converted as 63 plus 1 and 62 can be converted as 63 minus 1. That will be your next topic or next step. Okay, so that would be 1 plus 63 is 64 whole to the power n minus, this will be 1 minus 60, or we can also write it as 63 minus 1. Sorry. (63 minus 1 to the power 2n plus 1). So, 1 plus 63 to the power of n, taking minus 1 common outside of this, you will be getting 1 minus 63, okay, to the power of 2n plus 1. So, 2n plus 1 indicates what? It indicates an odd power. Okay, 2n plus 1. 2n means even, plus 1 will be always an odd power. Minus 1 to the power of an odd power will be always minus. So, negative into negative, positive. The connecting sign is going to be positive here. I believe all of you understood that step. Okay. Now, which is equal to, each of them can be expanded with the help of binomial expansions. The first one will become 1 plus, since first term is 1, okay, we don't have to bother about 1 in each of the terms. It will be NC1 63, NC2 63 square, NC3 63 cube plus etc. till 63 to the power n. Okay, this would be the expansion of the first term. Plus, okay, it is plus sign. This will become 1 minus 2n plus 1 c 163 plus 2n plus 1 c2 63 square minus etc. till the last term can be minus. Okay, so minus 63 to the power 2n plus 1. Now if you observe these two, this 1 plus 1 will become 2. The rest of the terms if you observe, one second, the rest of the terms if you observe, it is just multiples of 63, right? It is just multiples of 63, so we can write 63k. Now if I am dividing this by 9, okay, on division by 9 will give you what? Division by 9 will always give me 2 as my remainder. Remainder will be equal to 2 because 63 will be divisible by 9. So remainder is what? 2. Any doubt? I believe there are no doubts for anyone. So your option 2 will be your answer. Here, option 2 will be your answer. Okay, moving on to our second question, question number 2. Try to do this question. Question number 2. The question states that S1, let S1 equal to sigma j equal to 1 to 10, j into j minus 1, 10 Cj. S2 is equal to sigma j equals to 1 to 10, j into 10 Cj. And S3 is equal to sigma j equals to 1 to 10, j square 10 Cj. Statement 1 states that S3 is equal to 55 into 2 to the power 9. And statement 2 states that S1 is equal to 90 into 2 to the power 8 and S2 is equal to 10 into 2 to the power 8. Which among the four options is correct? Whereas the statement 1 is false or statement 2 is true, that is option 1. Statement 2 or option 2 states that statement 1 is true, statement 2 is also true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1. Okay, then we have statement 1 is true as options 3, statement 2 is true, statement 2 is not a correct explanation of statement 2. And finally, we have option 4. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is true. Which statement or which among the option is correct? Hello Girish, welcome to the class. We just finished one question. You want to see the first question? Option C you are stating. No dear, check again. Check again. I'll give you one more minute. Try to solve it. If not, I'll start solving. Very good. Second option is correct, Girish. Perfect. So let me tell you how to do this question. Second question. Okay. So in this, given that S1 is equal to what? Sigma j equals to 1 to 10 j into j minus 1. 10 Cj is there, right? Which can be written as 10 factorial upon, okay, 10 factorial upon j into j minus 1 into j minus 2 into 10 minus j factorial. Okay. Now, this can be written as, okay, this will become what? 90 into sigma j equals to 2 to 10, okay, 8 factorial upon j minus 2 factorial into 8 minus j minus 2 factorial, okay, which can be also written as 90 sigma j equals to 2 to 10, it will become 8cj minus 2, which is 90 into 2 to the power 8. So this is S1, which is a true one. Okay. So S1, whatever they have written is true. Correct. Now, moving on to S2. S2 is what? Sigma j equals to 1 to 10 j into 10 factorial upon j into j minus 1 factorial into 9 minus j minus 1 factorial. Okay, which is equal to 10 into sigma j equals to 1 to 10, 9 factorial upon j minus 1 factorial into 9 minus, j got cancelled, j minus 1 ka factorial. Okay, perfect. Which is again equal to 10 into sigma j equals to 1 to 10, 9 c j minus 1, 10 into 2 to the power 9. So S2 is also correct. Now, moving on to your S3. S3 can be written as sigma j equals to 1 to 10, okay, j into j minus 1 plus j whole to the power 10, whole into 10 cj. Okay, so this is j, so this can be further written as sigma j equals to 1 to 10 j into j minus 1 to the power 10 cj plus sigma j equals to 1 to 10 j into 10 cj. Okay, they have split it and written. So here each of them is nothing but S1 and S2. Okay, that is 90 into 2 to the power 8 plus 10 into 2 to the power 9, which is nothing but 55 into 2 to the power 9. So, our statement 1 or statement 2, not 1, is responsible for our statement 1 to be true. Whereas statement 1 and statement 2 are individually true, and statement 2 is the correct explanation because statement 2 leads you to the statement 1, that is S3 ka value. So option 2 will be your answer. Okay, I hope there are no doubts. Clear? Perfect. Moving on to our third question. Question number 3. The coefficient of x to the power 7 in the expansion of 1 minus x square plus x cube whole to the power 6. Try to do the question. Done? Any guess with the answer? The correct option is option 4. Minus 144 will be the coefficient of your x to the power 7. Let us do and check whether the answer is correct. So, third question. So, the expansion is 1 minus x square plus x cube to the power of 6. Okay. This can be further written as 1 minus x to the power 6 into 1 minus x square to the power of 6. Okay. This will become 1 minus x to the power 6 will become what? 1 minus 6c1x plus 6c2x square minus 6c3x cube, okay, plus 6c4x to the power 4 minus 6c5x to the power 5 plus 6c6x to the power 6. These many terms will be there. Whereas for the second binomial expansion, we will have 1 minus 6c1x square minus 6c2x to the power 4 plus 6c3x to the power 6 minus 6c4x to the power 8. Okay, likewise it will go. Okay, the question is x to the power 7 ka coefficient. When will x to the power 7 will be formed? Okay, it will be formed, say this into this, okay, and this into this, and also this into this. That is x into x to the power 6. X square is not there. X cube into x to the power 4 and x square into x to the power 5. That's it. No other multiplication will give you x to the power 7. So, for coefficient of x to the power 7 will be what? It will be, you have 6c1 into 6c3 minus, okay, minus 6c3 into 6c2, okay, and plus you have wait, this is plus, that's what even I was thinking. Now it's correct. So then we have plus 6c5, okay, into 6c1. None other is giving you the x to the power 7, right? None others are the coefficients. So solve this, you will be getting the answer. That would be 6c1 is 6 into 6c3 is 20 minus 6c3 is 20 into 6c2 is what? 15 plus 6c5 is again 6 into 6, which is minus 144. Okay, minus 144 will be your answer. Koi doubt? I believe it is clear for all. Perfect. Let us move on to our fourth question. If n is a positive integer, then root 3 plus 1 to the power of 2n minus root 3 minus 1 to the power of 2n is. If n is a positive integer, then root 3 plus 1 to the power of 2n minus root 3 minus 1 to the power of 2n is option 1, an irrational number, option 2, whether it's an odd positive integer or an even positive integer or a rational number other than positive integers. Try to do this question. If you have any doubt, ask. You have 2 more minutes. Do the question fast. After that, I will start my explanation. And the right option is option 1. Let us check out the question. Question number 4. Given that root 3 plus 1 to the power of 2n minus root 3 minus 1 to the power of 2n. Okay. In the expansion of these, you will be getting 2 times. Okay. Combining both of them together, I have written. Okay. So, plus 1 will be there. Okay. So, this would be 2 times of 2nc1 into root 3 times 2n minus 1 plus 2nc2, sorry, c3, root 3 times combined 1, okay, 2n minus 3, okay, plus 2nc5 root 3 times to the power of 2n minus 5 plus etc. So what it will be? For sure, this root 3 to the power, whatever we have written, are odd numbers. So for sure, this will be what? An irrational number. This will be an irrational number. Okay, perfect. Moving on to your 5th question. The term independent of x in the expansion of. So in this expansion, which term will be independent of x, where x coefficient, where it is not the coefficient of x is the question. This is a good question. This was asked in JEE Mains 2013. Try to do this question. Okay, the correct option is option 3. Let us check out how to do the question. The fifth question. Given that x plus 1 upon x to the power 2 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 upon x minus x to the power 1 by 2 to the power of 10. Okay, to the power of 10. Now, x can be written as x to the power, say, I'll write it here. X plus 1 can be written as x to the power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 1 to the power 1 by 3 whole cube. Okay. So, two terms ka a cube plus b cube ka form. That means this can be written as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so that would be x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 to the power 1 by 3 is 1 itself, into x to the power 2 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 upon x to the power 2 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 can be also written as, okay, x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 into x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon x to the power 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1, and this whole to the power 10 we have. Okay, now these two will get cancelled, these two, and these two also will get cancelled. Okay, so yes, and this will become what? After cancelling, it will become 1 plus x to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, Annamalai, hello, welcome back. Okay, so this will become x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 I'm good, Annamalai. Kaise ho? How are you? Tell me. Minus 1 plus x to the power minus 1 by 2, and this whole to the power 10. Okay. Now, the general term, or this can be also further written as 1 and 1 will get cancelled. You will be getting x to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power minus 1 by 2 whole to the power 10. So, the general term TR plus 1 for this expansion will be 10CR x to the power 1 by 3 to the power of 10 minus R minus x to the power minus 1 by 2 whole to the power R. Okay, this can be further written as 10CR, okay, x to the power 10 minus R upon 3 minus R by 2. Okay, into this minus 1 is there, minus 1 to the power R. Okay, this bracket will remove so that you can not have a confusion regarding that. Okay, perfect. Now, TR plus 1 will be what? Finally, it will be 10CR x to the power 10, no, LCM we are taking. So it will become 20 minus 2 minus 3, 5R minus 5R upon 6. Okay, into minus 1 to the power R. Okay, the constant term will be what? The constant term will be nothing but 20 minus 5R equals to 0. That means R value will be equal to 4 in that case. So, T4 plus 1, that will be T5, will be 10C4, which is 210. Hence, option 3 will be your answer. Option 3. Any doubt? Option 3 will be your answer. So I'll give you one question as your homework, which will be the 6th question. If the coefficient of x cube and x to the power 4 in the expansion of 1 plus ax plus bx square into 1 minus 2x to the power of 18 in powers of x are then a comma b is equal to. So this is a JEE Mains 2014 question. Okay. I want all of you to try this. Take a screenshot or write down the question. We'll discuss this solution in the next class of PYQ session of binomial theorem. So today at 5 p.m. we have a PYQ session for the chapter functions. So I hope all of you will be there and be ready for the chapter functions. The answer for this question, I'll tell you the option. It is option 4. Try if you are getting option 4. If not, we will discuss in the next session. You can collect all your doubt questions as well for the next sessions, where we will be discussing all your collective doubts as well. So here we have discussed 5 new questions of binomial theorem which was asked in the previous JEE Main exam papers. I hope you all understood all the 5 questions. I've given one question as your homework, that is question number 6. Okay, इसका answer है option number 4. I want all of you to try the question and reach the answer. We'll be discussing the details regarding the question 6 in the upcoming class of PYQ session of binomial theorem. So, take care all of you till then. I'll see you all soon. So, today 5 p.m. do not forget, we have our sessions for functions chapter. PYQ session for the chapter functions. Good questions are there, really interesting questions, and only the previous year questions will be discussed. So it will be a great opportunity for you to attend. Chal, I'll see you all. Bye-bye.